Hello, good afternoon. My name is Julian Andres Castilla Sanchez. Valuation and negotiation of technology. Unit tier state 4 on the start in the negotiation. Problems to negotiate big biotechnology production. Days 29 April 2019. Studying name Julian Andres Castilla Sanchez. Problem related to the protection of intellectual property. Uh, Portable prevention of sanitary registration before the regulatory authority of the country, regular apparel production launch and solid start. Problem related to array technology. I problem associated why the full win-win on the stage in the technology transformation takes place in question. Problem, problem relates to negotiation. Collecting strong payment before the products and right to the commercial fines. Hence, they are collect payment pre-commercial. Agreement license. In the style of contract and company licensor around the use of industrial or intellectual property rights, patents, transdetermined utility models, etc. to another licensing in and foreign marketing to manufacture and selected production of the linser in a specific territory, also a country, in returning the license pays to censor initial among the Canon I Commission. Recommendation Archiver hasten on the trademark or the patent in favor of the providing anything on the intellectual right. Maintain constant communication on the company while with the blessing to carry out different kits of technology negotiation. Thank you.